So I just want to show at the beginning here that what we're going to do through the GUI is essentially like running the agent with the interactive and debug options on. The interactive means it will create the scripts first, and then you can talk to it, modify them if you want before running. And the debug means that it will generate a debug log of the interactions with the LM, including what tool calls it made and so on. So just click Start Agent. This should show that it found the script creator. Now you can type demo, and it will give you a demo prompt to try. And then you can vary this. This is quite a simple example using 6UmpCaml. Normally that would just be an inline function, but I wanted to have a demonstration using an executable, so I made it into an executable. There's an example input file here, and I've just told it the variables, how many runs to do and what the bounds are. So you click send, and then this should generate your scripts. So we'll start by generating your scripts from templates, and then it has various tools. It can go and look at examples from the libEnsemble repository. So this may take a little while. And it also make a templated version of the input file to match the variables. Now you can see it's created scripts. I'll say something about what it's done up here, but you can look at the scripts it's created here. So it's using an lot. This shows the history of changes that it made, and you look at your different scripts here. There's also a debug log here that is quite useful. It shows the interactions with the LLM, so listing the tools available, and then it will show where it made a tool call. So that's the script generator MCP tool. And then you can see where it's read and written files. So would you like me to run the scripts? Yes. So now it will run and fix up, and if necessary, and rerun if it needs to, until it's run the max retries, which is a setting in the tool server, but it looks like they ran successfully first time. And now it's just doing a bit of analysis. It should have produced some graphs. So this shows, because it ran through the opossum generator, it shows the various optimization runs that it did. So now let's try something else. So I'm going to ask it to change the scripts to use an Ensemble Agent optimization. I'm just going to cut down the amount of work that it's doing, because we're only really interested in whether it can run these scripts. Okay, so now we should have xopt, and it's using the expected improvement generator. It's using the Vox standard. So let's run these. It would just run it if you were in automatic mode. Okay, this time it did get a failure. And that's simply because we reran in the same output directory, which libEnsemble doesn't do by default. So it's added reuse output as true. Okay, and so now that's run, and it's given a simple qmin plot. So we can look in that the working directory and see everything you're seeing is just, it's all stored in here.